Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. As you're preparing for 2021-2022 academic year, I just want you to take through campus just a little, because we can't cover the whole of University of Ghana. This is the lecture hall tour, and today we are going to tour N block. Yes, so the N block on University of Ghana campus. Okay guys, so just so that you'll be able to locate the N block or just enjoy your tour, we are starting from where we can get to, like the routes that will lead us to the N block. So right here I'm behind the BAM library. So this is the fountain at the BAM library. Yes, this is the fountain at the BAM library. I'm behind the BAM library. That's UGBS. This is the BAM library. That's the back of BAM library. And at the back of the BAM library, there is a fountain. So you come from BAM library and you go this way. Okay, so now we are heading towards our N block. Yes, we're heading towards our N block. And as we go, I would be showing you other routes that you would be able to use to come or get into N block. So this is the road right behind BAM library, after the fountain, the road after the fountain. And on my right, you realize that there is another route which comes from the law school. So you can use that route to join the BAM library route, just so that you can head towards the N block. So we are going, this is N block. That's where we are going to. See, the blocks on our far end, that is N block. And that's where we are heading towards for our tour today. See, University of Ghana is so green. I like that so much. I'm sure as you come, you would see there are departments. That's the School of Biological Sciences. So Department of Plant and Environmental Biology. So that is some of the departments around on our road to N block. So let's just get going. Okay, so school is not in session. School is not in session, so some of the lecture rooms are locked, which means we may not have access to some of the lecture rooms, but some are open. So whilst we tour the main lecture halls on University of Ghana campus, we would get to know the interior of some, and for some you will just get the exterior of it, because school is not in session, academic work I mean, so it's not open yet. Okay, so here we go. Let's just get in there. We are almost there, guys. We are almost there. I'm sure you can see the block. That is N block. This is N block. So let's just go and have a little tour of how N block looks like. And there is another route that you can use to join N block, which is right here. So just take a look at that route. Usually it comes from you can use the stats department. You can also join from the engineering school, Pent, or the other hostel. So this is another route also that you can use to join. And this is N block. This is N block. That's my department. Yes, information studies department. For those who will be coming, we'll be looking forward to seeing you. So that's my department. So let's get to see N block. Okay, so this is N block. End block 3 should be on your right if you are following the route that we used, and end block 2 in the middle, and the last part is end block 1. So let's just see. This is how it looks like at end block 2. The seats are not different. So as you see this, you see it for the other rooms on end block. So this is how it looks like. So let's just take a side view. Let's take a side view of end block. It's a very big lecture room. See, the middle one is very big. That's end block 2, usually for larger classes. So that is end block 1. So this is end block 1, just as end block 3 was, but the end block 2 is a little big and different. So this is the route that will lead you to my special department. Yes, but we just want to take a side view of end block 2. So this is the side view of end block 2, a very large classroom. There is a Wi-Fi connection. There are speakers so that the lecturers don't get to shout. Good ventilation. You can see the fan, and then the lighting system are also fine. There are CCTV cameras during exams. That's where the CCTV cameras does the magic. So this is in block 2. This is in block 2, and this is the environment of N block. Yes, so N block. Here we go. This is the environment of N block 2. Okay guys, so I am right in front of N block, and this is the end of our tour at N block 2, N block 3, N block 1. So we are good to go. Whenever the admission list is returned, you have a lecture at N block, just have a look at this video and you have a quick location of N block. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll continue with our tour. As I said, we'll give you updates as we prepare for the 2021-2022 academic year. Stay tuned.